Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video we're going to be talking about padding in CSS. So without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So as you can see here, I just have some code set up. This is the basic code that we have, and this is what we're going to be working with. So I have a link that is connected to a style sheet right over here. So I have a link that is connected to a style sheet over here. This one, it has nothing in it right now since there isn't anything to style yet. And we here have our paragraph tag that says, "Hi, I'm FH Coding." So before we get into actually making the padding happen in this document, let's first talk about the concept of padding. So for this, I am going to pull up an example. So here I have paint, and this is just something I drew on paint, nothing special, just to explain the concept of padding. So you may wonder, what is padding? So let's assume that our text, "What's up homies," it's in this box over here, okay? This is the "What's up homies" box. So this is kind of like the area this paragraph encompasses. So the padding is going to be the distance from here all the way till here. As you can see, I'm not very good at drawing lines, especially straight ones, so you'll have to do with this. But yeah, this is the padding. So this is the top padding, this is the right side padding, this is the left padding, and this is the bottom padding. So this distance over here between this text and this outside box, or the margin, is the padding. So the distance between the space of the text and the space of the margin is called the padding. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's head over to our code and let's actually make the change happen. So over here we have this, our text. "Hi, I'm FH Coding," and this is going, if we just run this right now and we pull up the Chrome web page, it's going to be the same as the "What's up homies." It's just gonna be a box, and there won't be any type of like padding surrounding that. So let's add some padding. So let's head over to styles.css, and the way we add padding is, you can do it like this: padding top, let's say, is 10 pixels, padding bottom is 20 pixels, padding left, let's make this 5 pixels, and let's make the padding on the right, let's make this 15 pixels. So this is obviously one way to do it, but it gets kind of tedious if you have to write 4 lines just to get the padding for one thing. So you you can do it this way. So instead of having it all like this, just line by line, we can do it like this. We can just do padding colon, and then now we go like this. So let's do, so the top was 10 pixels, the right is 15 pixels, the bottom is 20 pixels, and the left side is 5 pixels. So this is a shorthand way of writing the padding. So we have our padding here, but in order to actually see a difference, we are going to need to apply a border. So let's do that. So let's go border. So let's do border dash style, and let's make this a dotted border, and let's put our semicolon there. So we have our border. So now let's do file, hit save on the styles, file, hit save on margin, And now let's open up our File Explorer. And let's double click this, our file, margin. And now it's going to open up a Chrome web page. And right over here is our end result. So you see there's a clear difference between the spacing in top and bottom. And so that is evidence that our padding is there. So yeah, hopefully this video gave you some insight onto how to use padding and why it is so important in CSS. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.